Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, October 24th. We did see a pretty good batch of rain move through in the pre-dawn hours this morning, as well as some stronger gusty winds up to around 35 miles per hour, but that has since cleared out of the area much quicker than we had anticipated, and we are now just seeing actually some blue sky out there, but we do expect to see a chance of some isolated showers continuing through at least lunchtime. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, we did see another unseasonably warm day across the mid-Atlantic region, with many locations seeing temperatures in the upper 70s. Some locations in the Tidewater even saw those temperatures near 80 degrees yesterday. This morning we did see some mild low temperatures, as well as we had continued southerly flow ahead of that approaching cold front. Did see temperatures ranging in the upper 60s for many locations, with temperatures near 60 degrees across our nation's capital and Richmond. This morning we did see, like I said, that good batch of rain that moved through pretty much the entire mid-Atlantic region, mostly in the pre-dawn hours, with many locations receiving anywhere between a quarter to half an inch. Areas to the north did receive a little bit less, only seeing under 2/10 of an inch. And here at Wallops and Norfolk, we saw actually not too much at all, remaining under 1/10 of an inch of rain. Temperatures as of 9 a.m. were running anywhere from the mid-60s to near 70 degrees, and we were still seeing cloudy skies and scattered showers across the Delmarva, but areas off to the west were already seeing partly cloudy skies as that front has cleared that area. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing winds at the surface rather strong this morning. We were seeing wind gusts around 35 miles per hour just at the surface from the south. Just above the surface, we are seeing those winds continuing from the south, anywhere between 45 to 50 knots from 1,000 up to 9,000 feet. As we go above there, winds are shifting more southwesterly, still remaining fairly brisk at around 45 knots, and then weakening to around 40 knots from the southwest between the 20,000 and 25,000 foot levels. We were seeing a freezing level this morning just under 13,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we see as of 12Z, which is 8 a.m. local time, that cold front was pretty much right on top of the Wallops area, maybe slightly to the west, but that has started to move through the area already. We actually have seen the temperature drop a couple degrees in the past hour or so, and we have seen an end of the shower activity that we were seeing this morning, but we do think that front is going to linger over the area, or perhaps just east of the area, and as we get some breaks in the clouds and perhaps some brief sunshine, we could see an increase in the instability across the area this afternoon. So that is going to help keep a chance for isolated to widely scattered showers throughout at least the early afternoon time frame. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, we are seeing some light scattered showers from the past couple hours here, mostly to the north of the Wallops area along the Delmarva coast, and those are moving away from the region as we speak. But we do anticipate maybe a couple more isolated showers to pop up as we go into the late morning to early afternoon hours. But for the most part, the heaviest rain does look to have ended across the area, and we do anticipate just mostly cloudy skies. In addition, as that front has moved just east of the area, we also have seen a dramatic drop-off in the winds, and we have canceled the wind advisory that was issued last night, as we do anticipate those winds to remain under wind advisory levels for the rest of the day. So taking a look at our midday planner here, we anticipate that, like I said, that front is going to linger just a little bit, perhaps just east of the area, and that is going to help bring keep a little bit of a focus around for a chance of isolated or widely scattered showers to continue through the afternoon hours. But as we go into tonight, that front will continue to move off east of the area, and it is going to help really clear out the skies a bit. So we are expecting quite a bit of clearing as we move into this evening into tonight, and then tomorrow. Still going to be seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies, as we still see some clouds streaming in overhead as we have upper level trough lingering across the region throughout tomorrow, and as we go into Wednesday afternoon as well. But not looking at any chances of rain tomorrow. Winds are going to be from the north, ushering in a cooler air mass across the region, so we are going to be seeing a return to those seasonable temperatures. And then on Thursday morning, we're really going to see those temperatures drop as that's when the coldest area does look to move in, but it also is going to be when we see a trough axis moving through the area, as well as some, which will bring some good upper level energy swinging through Thursday morning. So can't rule out an isolated shower for the Thursday morning time frame as that trough axis swings through. But by Thursday p.m., it does look like high pressure is going to start building into the area. Going to be looking at a chilly day Thursday with high pressure overhead with some lighter winds and that cold air mass overhead before we start to see a gradual warm up again towards the end of the week. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today. Did see that rain this morning, and we do expect just a isolated, widely scattered shower chances to continue through the early afternoon, but after 4 o'clock, it does look a good chance that we are going to be seeing those rain chances completely diminish. Can't rule out a slight chance of an isolated shower, but we are going to be seeing just mostly cloudy skies for the remainder of the day with widely scattered, just very light showers. And like I said, winds have dropped off dramatically as that front moved just east of the area. So we are going to be just seeing winds from the southwest for the afternoon hours, only around 8 to 13 knots, so not expecting a reissuance of that wind advisory at this time. And as we go into tonight, those winds are going to decrease even further, becoming 3 to 8 knots overnight before they shift westerly, then northwesterly early tomorrow morning at 7 to 12 knots. And then as we go to the start of our workday for Wednesday, they're going to be northerly around 7 to 12 knots. And we are going to be looking at a high today around 76 with a low of around 56 tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we're already seeing some blue sky out there. We are seeing a broken deck near 1,000 feet, near 2,500 feet, and near 4,000 feet, and that does look to continue for much of the day. Could see those ceilings overcast around 3,000 feet if we get some additional shower activity. But as we go later into the day, we're going to continue to see those lower level clouds scour out a bit. Becoming just a few at 1,500 and broken at 5,000 by the 7 p.m. hour, and continuing to decrease even further, becoming perhaps even mostly clear as we go into the 9 p.m. hour and into the overnight hours. By pre-dawn Wednesday, we're going to see those clouds increase just a little bit, expecting a scatter deck near 4,000, some mid-level clouds near the 12 or 15,000 foot level, and we will be seeing a scattered cirrus deck near 25,000 feet. For the next few days, we're going to be seeing a fairly seasonable conditions. Tomorrow is going to be partly to mostly cloudy at times, a high of 67, no rain chances expected. We're going to be seeing a chilly night on Wednesday as that cold air continues to stream in. Partly cloudy skies are going to be expected with a low of 44. And then on Thursday, we're going to be seeing a cool day as the coldest air moves overhead, and like I said, that trough axis will be swinging through the area that morning, giving us a slight chance for an isolated shower in the area under mostly cloudy skies with a high of 62. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, today's going to be another unseasonably warm day. It's looking like with a high around 76 as we get some sun breaks this afternoon. And then behind this cold front, we're going to see that cold air usher in for the next few days, giving us more seasonable conditions in the mid to upper 60s with morning lows in the mid 40s. And then we're going to start to see those conditions slowly warm up as winds turn more south-southeasterly for Friday under partly cloudy skies. A high of 68 expected. Then on Saturday, we're going to see mostly clear skies in the morning. Then we're going to be seeing those clouds make a return for the afternoon time frame with a unseasonably warm day yet again of 72 degrees as we have our next system approaching on Sunday. There has been some model discrepancy on the strength of the system on Sunday, but the timing does look in fairly decent agreement. So it is looking like a rainy day on Sunday, but there is, like I said, some disagreement on exactly how much rain we are going to be getting, but that will hopefully clear up as we go later in the week here. But you can definitely plan that for a rainy day on Sunday, as well as perhaps some breezy conditions similar to what we saw this morning. On Monday, that cold front that we're expecting on Sunday is going to move off east of the area, and we will be seeing a return to chillier but seasonable conditions yet again under mostly cloudy skies with those highs back into the mid to lower 60s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations brief and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a wonderful day.